Welcome to the installation video of Fishbone Offroad's Steel Aluminum Elite Fenders for your JL Wrangler and JT Gladiator. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's outer and inner fenders. We cover how to uninstall factory fenders in another video linked below. Step 2. The included rubber seals are driver and passenger side specific. Identify which side is which by the bolt hole indents in the rubber. Peel off the backing and carefully apply the seal to the vehicle side wall of each fender. Step 3. If you purchase the front fender set, install the included LED lights into their slots. First, place the loose bracket in between the fender brackets and loosely secure it with two of the smaller M5 bolts, washers, and nuts. Next, insert the light through the slot and into the bracket so that the LEDs with the directional lenses are closest to the vehicle side of the fender. Push it into the bracket, pulling the wire through it, and secure it to the bracket with the two longer M5 bolts, washers, and nuts. The alignment will be adjusted after the fender is installed. Step 4. If you have a JL Wrangler and purchase the rear fender set, on the rear wheel well on both driver and passenger sides, you will need to carefully drill out the shown hole with a 7/16 drill bit and insert the included M8 nutsert with an M8 nutsert tool. No drilling is required if you own a JT Gladiator. Step 5. Begin installing the fenders with the included bolts, washers, and nuts with a 5mm Allen wrench. Step 6. Connect your LED lights to your vehicle and secure the converter as desired by removing the tape backing and pressing firmly against the vehicle. With the fender installed, test the alignment of the light. Move the light around as desired and secure its angle by tightening the vertical and horizontal bolts with a 3mm Allen wrench. Step 7. Begin installing your rear fenders by installing all remaining M8 bolts, washers, and nuts. 12 for the JL Wrangler and 18 for the JT Gladiator. If you have a JL Wrangler, 2 bolts will be secured into the nutserts previously installed in Step 4. Step 8. If you've purchased our aluminum fenders, we show how to install them in another video linked below. Enjoy your new JL and JT Elite fenders.